I'm building an AI project for Unity's Unite 2023, and I need your help. I've been challenged to come up with something cool that showcases what Centis can do, and I've already got a couple ideas bouncing around in my head. I'll share them with you in just a moment, but I was really hoping that some of you other developers out there who have been kind of following what's going on with game development and AI have some ideas for things that you think would be really cool. Now, when you're thinking about this, let's remember the context of what Centis is. Centis is Unity's system that allows you to run these large language models and other data models and all this other AI stuff that I'm still kind of struggling to understand on your local devices. So you can have this running on your mobile devices, the consoles, or whatever you want. So you can run it completely free instead of having everything be pushed off to the cloud. Plus you get that benefit of not having a network connection in the way they're kind of slowing things down. If you haven't signed up for that beta, by the way, you can just search for Unity AI beta and you'll find the link, or I'll put it down in the description as well. So here's the project that I've got that I'm thinking about adding AI to. And specifically, my idea, and I know it's not the best one, was to add voiceovers in every language, or at least every language possible. I don't know how feasible this is, but I was thinking I'll never put voiceovers in here in more than one language if I went about this process. But if I could automate this and have AI just kind of generate them for me at runtime so I don't have to keep track of all these different language files and all this stuff, then I actually might consider it. And I thought this could be a somewhat useful and actual thing that I would use day to day on normal projects, and something that could apply to a lot of other people's projects. Now, if you've got other ideas that are even cooler, which I'm sure you do, please let me know and just drop them in the comments. And if you don't, or even if you do, go down there and just vote on the ones that you think are cool. If something kind of pops up to the top, I will heavily consider it. But I'm going to read through all of them, reply to all of them, and see if I can get some really cool inspiration. It doesn't have to be specific to this game either. It could be anything that you think will be really cool with AI models just running on a device. If you're interested in that, by the way, and you want to see what the end result is, make sure that you hit the thumbs up button and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.